What's up, guys? We're gonna try a little something today on the Bronco. We are going to put some wheel spacers on it, see how it looks, see how it does. Here's the kind of spacers they are, and here's what they look like. I'm gonna have a link in the description so you can check them out. Use the code, get a little discount on it, hopefully for a while. But I do like them. They're solid, one piece, and they do fit. This is important. You have to be able to fit the hub itself, and this hub in here fits perfect also. You got to make sure it fits on both. If not, then your wheel is not going to be exactly centered. It's cool. Let's see if they stick out enough too much, and we might even try those wheels, still have them. I'm thinking about putting these wheels back on it with better tires, with the spacers. It might look good. We'll have to see. All right, so you don't want to use the impact gun on these. I mean, at least to start it, because you don't want these to be stripped at all. Just gonna slowly put them in there. Do the same thing for each of these. I'm curious to see how it looks. If it sticks out too much, if it does any rubbing on this side or that side, we'll see. And that side, I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. It's this side where I'm a little worried about. Ideally, have someone push the brake inside so it doesn't turn. Easiest way to do this. All right. I don't know what kind of torque, but I'm estimating probably like around 70. I'm guessing 70 foot-pounds. Let's see how the tire fits now. I am rotating tires also. I feel like I've been doing that a lot. Putting this tire now. I'm gonna start it. See how it does there? Put you in here, see if it does any rubbing. Okay, so as I thought, no issues on this side. Okay, and over here, I mean there's plenty of space right now. Back here also plenty of space. Okay, so what do you think? Is that too much? Is it sticking out too much there? Look at that. Side. This side gives you, maybe 1.5 inches out. This side is gonna get you, it should be about at least 3 inches, maybe even more than 3 inches. All right, we're gonna do the other side now. I did check out the specs for the torque, and it is between 65 and 85 depending on the lug bolts. But 70 should be perfect. Okay, I put the original wheels on it. These are the 18-inch that come with pretty much the Outer Banks and a few other models. These are the non-Sasquatch, really what it is, non-Sasquatch. These actually do look nice. If you put some bigger aggressive tires on it and make them stick out with these spacers, they will look nice. I've seen it, it looks good. But you can't compare with these. Big difference. See how much it actually sticks out And these are pretty flush with the fender itself. If you like that, great. I like a little more aggressive look. Again, you can see that side already has a spacer on. This side does not. The difference in what comes out should be 1.5 inches. Okay, we're going to take this wheel off and then put it back on with the spacer on there. Okay, so now that's with the wheel spacer, and with the spacer it probably comes out, as you can see there, about as much as the regular wheel without the spacer. The Sasquatch without the spacer, the OEM wheel with spacer. 2.5 inch spacer. And again, this with some aggressive tires, they look good. Promise you, they look good. All right, let's finish up this backside, the passenger, and then do the whole thing for the driver's side too. And the rear should be done. That's a workout, man. If you're wondering why my brake lights are on, it's because I'm holding the brake in. There, no more brake. Okay, one thing left to do is put the spare tire back on. You know what, let's drop this thing though. Watch these things fall. Trying to make it so that they don't fall. Oh, look at that, they didn't fall. All right, gotta remove that center cap. Because if you remember, that front one doesn't have a center cap, so we gotta put it on there. This you can just gently pop out with the back of a screwdriver. Gently. Put this sucker back on. All right, one thing left to do, and that's put the little cap back on. These just go nice and easy. Just like that. Can't tell too much from the side. From about here, yeah, you could tell, right? Same thing from the front. Is that too wide? You tell me if that's too wide. I think it is good. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of the other videos I have, bro. Beautiful day in Houston today.